Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. Now I have something to really show you guys that's really interesting. You can now share your custom-made skills from blueprints with anyone else's Echo Dots or anything that runs the Alexa app. Let's get to it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for this one I'm going to share my PC quiz. Go over to share with others. Is this skill intended for kids under 13? Why not? Yes, it is. I will share it with Facebook. Yes, I'm going to share it. I'm going to hit post to Facebook. And we'll go from there. As you can see, you can actually share your skill from Blueprint, so it will actually work on multiple Echo Dots or whatever Alexa device you have. Hope you found this video educational. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and catch you later.